Hello everybody, today I will be showing you Timely. It's a new app, very cool. Here it is, with its unique look. Here are the alarms. You can choose the time you want the alarm very smoothly. Yeah, cool. So just scroll and here it is. For example, set the exact time. Click on it. Here you can set the exact time and then press OK to set the alarm and then press done, but I'm not going to. And here it is, the time and the date, and here it is the timer. So you can do like this. I'm setting it at 30 seconds and then you have to tap play button and it will count down till the 0 second. But the beautiful thing of this app is that it has a very amazing backgrounds and I don't know, it's a cool app. Also you can see the date, you can see the time, you can set alarm, you can set the timer. Also you can change the themes. You can change the look of the hour and then press save. But it's a premium content, so you have to unlock it. It's just a demo version. You can go to settings and here are the settings. Snooze duration and balloon buttons to snooze. Alarm volume, which is very needed. FX. So anyway, also you can change themes just like this. It's very cool, you see. I like a lot this app. It's a training app. You can set it as you want, but you have to buy it because it's a premium content. And I think that's all for this app, and I hope you like my review. Thank you everybody. Goodbye.